Hi everybody, I'm Laici. I'm from Ipoh. Sometimes I experience cold and cough, but I prefer not to take too much medication because I'm aware of the possible side effects. Before using no more cough sensitive, I often experience recurring coughs that would come and go. Yes, I noticed that my cough gradually reduced and improved after using the product. I was also able to sleep better at night as my coughing became less frequent. After using it for about 2 to 3 days, I could feel that my cough was becoming less severe and that I was slowly recovering. Yes, I have recommended it to many of my friends and family members, especially those with children who are prone to coughing easily.